Welcome to our tutorial on how to export your ThruTalk data. In this video, we will explain how you can access and review your calling data. There are two options for how to export data in GetThru. One, you can export data one campaign at a time. Two, you can export account-level data for all campaigns or user information. Let's begin by reviewing the ThruTalk campaign-level exports process. Start on the Campaigns page and make a selection from the ThruTalk section of the left sidebar. You can create campaign exports for both active and archived campaigns. This means you don't need to keep your campaigns active to retrieve your data. Once your campaign is complete, you can archive it and still access your data at any time. Now, we will create our example data export using an active campaign. For this example, we will select our Bartlett Test Phone Bank campaign. Scroll down to find the Export button. Click on it, and you will see the two types of exports available. By selecting the Select Export Type dropdown, you can generate either campaign dials or patch through call exports. The campaign dials export will create a CSV of the dial results for each call completed. This will include the contact first and last name, date and time of the dial, call duration, call results, and any custom fields that were set at the time of the group upload and are marked Include an Export for the custom field. The Patch Through Calls export includes the contact name and phone number, the time of the dial, and key patch through details. This includes the outcome of the patch through connection, the duration of the connection, the target of the patch through, and the caller details of the specific dial. Please note that the patch through export is only available if you add patch through during the campaign setup. Otherwise, only the campaign dials export will be available for generation. A quick note, the timestamp included in the dials export will be in UTC time and not your local time zone. Make sure to adjust this time to your own time zone when analyzing your data. Now, let's move on to the account level exports. First, click on the ThruTalk Tools tab in the left sidebar, then select Exports. Here, you will find the Account Campaign Dials option, which is similar to the campaign level export but covers all campaigns within the account rather than a specific one. Additionally, there are exports available for all dials, do not call, and caller activity details. The Account Campaign Dials export generates multiple CSV files with an overview of every ThruTalk campaign in your account that has a start date within the selected date range. In this example, you will see only one file, as there were no other campaigns within that range. The Account All Dials export creates a single CSV file with an overview of all call results across your campaigns, excluding script results. The campaigns included are based on their start date and the selected date range for the export. The Account Caller Details Activity Report provides insights into each caller's activity. This export includes information on the number of calls made within a specific period, the total time spent calling, and a count of each call result recorded. The Account Do Not Call export includes a list of all contacts that have requested to be added to the Do Not Call list for the account. This includes contacts that request to be opted out during a campaign and those added to the Do Not Call list from the Do Not Call page. GetThru offers an integration with Amazon Web Services S3, allowing you to receive nightly exports of your ThruTalk campaign dials, patch through dials, caller activity details, and Do Not Call reports directly to an S3 bucket. To use this feature, you must have a AWS S3 bucket set up for storing the exported data. Please review our help desk article, Nightly S3 Export Delivery, for more information. Reach out to our support team if you have any questions.